Hi Tech Tabang, ako si Jun Tariman. I'm a journalist and a tech blogger. In just 3 days this week, I purchased two devices from Xiaomi. This one is a home security camera 360. 360 because it can rotate 360 degrees, almost 360 degrees. And this is a full HD camera. And the other device is the smart induction cooker. So in days or weeks, I'll be testing these two devices and I'll give you feedback as soon as I'll finish the review of these two products. In the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please click that alert button so that you'll be informed of any upcoming videos here on my channel. This is the Xiaomi home security camera. I've just got hold this unit this morning. It just been delivered, and I bought this through Lazada at 1,532 including shipment. This is shipped from China. So here's the box here. It's being sealed yet, and it says here it can work with Google Assistant and also works with Alexa. So Xiaomi here on the label, it says here it's capable of 360 degrees and it's a HD high definition video of 1080 and full color with blue lights. So here's the description here. HD 1080, it can shoot or can rotate at 360 degrees panoramic. So it's more than panoramic, it's 360 degrees. And it has infrared night vision capability and movement detection. So every time there are movements in front or near to it, it will make a shot. Okay, so other specs here, it says here it's the input voltage is about 5 volts and it's 2 amperes. Then video encoding is h.265, aperture is f2.1, lens angle is 110 degrees, resolution is 1080, and it has an expandable memory, a micro SD card up to 64 gigabytes. Wireless connectivity is Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz band, and it's compatible with Android 4.4 or iOS 9.0 or above. So the package contents are the camera unit, the power cable, a wall mounting accessories pack, and user manual. Okay, so let's try to open this one. So, okay. Right. What is this? There's a box here. The first unit. Let me see what is inside. It looks like cables. So this is the charging cable. This is the wall mounting pack and the manual here. Okay, let's set aside this one. And the main unit here. Oh, wow, so nice. Looks like an alien. So at the front there's a logo of the Xiaomi. Inside there's a rubber footings here, but the slot here is for the wall mounting. So you can place this one on a concrete wall, then you use this bracket, the mounting rack, and there's a reset button here. So small, I can hardly read. And the USB slot, I think this is for charging. What else? Nothing. So where is the USB or the card slot here? I couldn't see the card slot. Anyway, so that's it. So it can rotate. Okay, it rotates You see that? So it can rotate. Okay. So as you can see here, the base is so solid, and it's stable on top of the table because of these four rubber footings here. Then it can rotate right 200 or 360 degrees turn. Then this one is the speaker. Since this is a ball size or a ball shape, the camera here, the lens here, actually moves up. Okay, and when you move up, you can see here there's the slot for the USB, for the micro SD card. Okay, so I found it. That's it. So you can make a shot towards the upwards and downwards. So upwards and downwards, and it can shoot to your right and to your left. So that's it.
Scan code to pair device. Waiting for connection.
So this camera is
Waiting for
actually
connection.
robotic, and you can see the flashing lights. That's the status light. The color is yellow. I still have to read the manual. What does that mean? But the robot says waiting for connection. So while waiting for the spare part of my damaged induction stove, I have to buy a new one because I don't have anything to use. So I decided to buy this one from Xiaomi, and this is a high-tech, not only high-tech, but this is a smart induction cooker. This is the only control at the front, the round button, and at the same time it works also at as its display. And the right side is the menu, and the left side is the timer. So these are soft touches buttons, the timer and the menu. And this is a 2,100 watts cooker. So meaning, if you're going to use this for an hour, you're going to consume 2,000 watts, and that's about 18 pesos. You're going to pay that in to the Meralco. So I will try this one because I wasn't able to buy the spare part for my old induction cooker. The pilot light is blinking. The color is yellow. It means it has yet to connect to a Wi-Fi connection. So you will have to connect this to a Wi-Fi, and also at the same time you add this device to your Xiaomi home app. Okay, so I have a Xiaomi home app on my phone, so I'm going to add this one. So I already have 3 devices from Xiaomi, and I'm building an ecosystem out of Xiaomi devices. That's all for now. And in the meantime, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click that alert button so that you'll be informed once the reviews of these 2 devices are done. Daghang salamat, ako si Jun Tariman.